Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to apply a copyright claim on YouTube. First, understand that copyright protects your original creative work. YouTube provides specific tools to help you manage your content and address unauthorized use. Filing a claim allows you to either request the removal of an infringing video or choose to monetize it yourself. This process helps maintain the integrity of your creative efforts. Before filing, you must first confirm that your original content has been used without your explicit permission. Next, gather all necessary evidence, such as specific timestamps where your content appears in the infringing video and the direct link to that video. It is crucial to ensure you are the rightful owner and hold the exclusive rights to the content you are claiming. To submit your claim, navigate to the YouTube Studio and access the Copyright Match tool or use the official copyright web form. You will need to provide detailed information about your original copyrighted work and the specific infringing video. Clearly state where your content appears. Finally, select your desired action, whether it's a full takedown request or monetizing the infringing content. After you submit your claim, YouTube will review the information and then notify the uploader of the infringing content. That uploader will then have an opportunity to either dispute your claim if they believe it's invalid or remove the video themselves. This process can take some time, so be patient. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.